Live right now with two folks who are not. Peggy, it's always great to see you. This time I'm going to ask you, where are you over Earth?
Where am I over Earth? Hey, Shook, can you come give me a hand? Let's figure out where we and Peggy. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
Shooks.
Hi,
Good
good
to
to see
see
you.
you. Where are we? Where are you over Earth?
Let's see. This is GMT 189, 15th orbit of the day, and it is already 13 days docked. So, I guess we should be passing somewhere at the tip of South America.
Did you just do all of that in your head?
No, I just looked at the map.
Okay. Come prepared. I appreciate that. That is fantastic. Well, we have just a little bit of time, and I wanted to, kind of understand what your day has been like. I know the schedule has been full. Do you have any downtime? Do you get any downtime on station?
Actually, we had one brief day off and another one coming up tomorrow because we've been up here 2 weeks now. So, and we're thrilled.
Shooks, what
But
about your
on
downtime?
our oh yeah, whatever little I have, I do enjoy downtime for sure. It is a great time up here. It has been very exciting. We've been quite busy, doing experiments and all the activities that we had. But like Peggy mentioned, we did have one day off, and tomorrow we are go. Oh yeah, and the fantastic thing is, whenever I have downtime, I do go out the window and take a lot of pictures. And I'm sleeping in the Dragon, so I have the luxury of having two windows to myself. So I do that a lot by night. So yeah.
Well, watching Peggy's necklace go makes me wonder if have you settled into the microgravity atmosphere? Do you feel totally acclimated now, both of you?
Well, I do. I was acclimated when I got here.
Immediately, we know Peggy. You're in your best place.
Been here a day or two before. So all this past year, yeah, all this past year, Peggy has been complaining that I speak too fast. I am very fast. I do a lot of things fast. And for the first few days when I came to this station, I actually became slow. So that was my adaptation to microgravity. But I think it was initial 2 days, and after that, everything became normal. And right now, I think I'm very well adjusted to microgravity.
Okay, well,
Okay.
I'm gonna put you on the spot. Can you show us how accustomed to microgravity you are? Is a little experiment
So
you could do
you
for
know,
us? Just gonna
I
float
can
away and go
do a lot
get the things. That's fine.
showing off on his astronaut tricks. So, but we've got something we want to show you that
Okay.
proves we're in microgravity. In case you didn't believe my necklace or flying off the ceiling, we got other things to prove we're in zero gravity. And we're gonna do this little thing with water. I've become a water bender here in the station, and I've been with this. So you have to see this.
Oh, that's
So you can see the water forms a ball
oh yeah.
in zero gravity because the surface tension of the water itself is actually much stronger now that we don't have gravity up here. It actually holds it together. He's got this little tool. It's a water bubble moving tool. I can actually bring the this we can bring closer. If I can find the this
Look at that. It's like we're looking at a clear marble, but it's actually a liquid.
Yep.
Is that a
Yeah.
bubble inside there?
Yes.
Wow.
An air bubble inside a water bubble. I told you I have a water bender.
So you really have acclimated beautifully.
Yes. Well, unfortunately, we didn't really want a bubble this time, but we'll go ahead and take it anyway. We're gonna do another little example. I've got a plastic bag here,
Okay.
and I'm gonna just see what happens when the plastic bag comes in contact with the water.
Slowly, slow.
Oh, but
Wow.
check this out.
The surface tension is kind of like a magnet and grabs it.
Yeah. Yep. It hangs on there. And what's really kind of cool
is it actually is almost like a lens. So let's see what
Oh,
you can see through the.
Down,
that,
you can show faces.
Yeah, let's bring it down here so you can see.
all those little bubbles
Here's
makes
the
it look like you're also wearing polka
one.
dots. That's so we sort of are matching
Yeah.
today. Well, I
And it's
also
interesting.
I also have water here, and if it's not nearly as exciting. It's just
No,
not.
it's the same here.
Your water is much more exciting.
It's well, yeah, it's a lot more fun to play with for sure.
Well, I know that you're doing so much work, you're doing research, you're doing STEM engagements with kids. Uh, what are you ready to come home? Do you have packing that needs to be done? What needs to still get accomplished up there?
Oh, we've got the last bits of all our experiments to do, and we will have to pack our dragon to come home. So we have to bring all the supplies, the appropriate supplies home. So that'll be a bit of time. That'll take probably a day or so just to get everything packed away the way properly, get everything strapped down so it'll be ready for the return. So we've got a few more days of science, the final data collections, and then we'll be packing and preparing for the return.
And what about that return? You now have to acclimate back to gravity. Are you ready for that? What's that like from both of you?
Well, from me having experienced it, I know first person, it sucks. Gravity really does. And so I am not looking forward to that part. It's, some people get motion sick or space motion sickness and have symptoms coming uphill. And some people get it going downhill. I'm a downhill person where I don't really adjust as well to gravity as I adjust to microgravity. So we'll see how it's going to turn out for sure.
Yeah, it's first time for me, so I have no expectations of going back into gravity. The only hope is that I did have some symptoms coming up, so I'm hoping that I will not have going down unless and until I get burst of both the worlds and I get both the time. So you never know.
Okay, well, we'll have to ask you when you're back in gravity with us. In these last
Yeah.
couple of days, what are you really looking forward to? What are you holding on to from this experience?
So I think there is one very strong feeling that I'm having that there are just a few days left in this mission, and obviously there are activities planned and science to be completed, and everything has to be repacked. But my intent is to savor this as much as possible, and I try to whatever little time I get, I go sit by the window. Most of the times taking pictures, but if not, just sitting by the window and looking down, looking back at the earth. I think it is the most beautiful that I have seen till date. So I just want to savor it as much as I can in the last few days.
That's good advice because savoring every minute while we're here is important to just
Yes.
build in those memories to take home with you.
Well, Shooks, I'm going to make you do more math. Since we've talked, how far have we traveled?
Okay, let's see. It's 1850 and we started 1840, like 10 minutes, right? And we are moving at 17,500 miles per hour.
Wow.
And so that roughly puts around 2,900 miles off from where we started. So, yeah. Is that good
Shooks,
enough?
you're such a show off. It's good to see you wearing your astronaut pin. Good to see both of you, and I look forward to seeing you back when you're home very, very soon. Thanks for spending a little time with me today.
All right, you take care.
Well, we will. From everyone here at Axiom Space and from those in India, Hungary, and Poland, Godspeed. We will be seeing you both very soon.